Welcome to Building a Better Machine, where we upgrade our skills one command at a time. My name's Desmond, and today we're tackling level 21 of Over the Wire's Bandit War Game Challenge. And today's prompt reads, a program is running automatically at regular intervals from cron, the time-based job scheduler. Look into etc cron.d for the configuration and see what command is being executed. The commands that we may need are crontab, crontab 5. And I want to, before we jump right in, I want to give a little bit of background. And as described in the task, let's start here. Cron, which is Greek for time. Cron is a time-based job scheduler in Linux, and it's used to automate repetitive tasks like backups, system maintenance, and running scripts. Great. Crontab is the command used to create, edit, and manage said jobs. And the syntax is as follows. There are 5 slots before a path that you use, and those slots represent minute, hour, month, year, day of the week, and the actual command. The example would be this guy here. If you want to do the first day of a month, 001 asterisk asterisk. Another example is if you want to do something, if you want to do something every minute, you just leave all 5 with asterisk. If you want to do something every day, 00. So at the 0 minute, at the 0 hour, it would run. If you want to do something once a week, at the 0 minute, at the 0 hour, at the 0 day, it will run. So that's our background. That's what we're working with. And now let's start digging. So we know we need to go to this etc folder. So should we just pop right in over there? cd slash etc slash cron.d slash, we are in the folder ls minus l plus list, and here we have all the cron jobs. You know what, before we go on to that, I want to take you a step back. So I want you to see, and this is what I go through. I'm playing this game, but this is what I go through. This is my thought process when I go through these things. Silly Billy. Let's scroll up. So there are multiple folders that can contain cron jobs. Cron.d being one of them. You see cron.daily, cron.hourly, cron.monthly, cron.weekly, and crontab, and cron.yearly. These folders contain files with instructions on how the programs are run. And yeah, so let's show you cd, where are we going now? Cron.d, right? I got my check for this. So yeah, let's list the contents of the folder again. We're going to level 22, so I'm going to focus on that. That's just me thinking logically. I want to see what's in that folder. I mean that file, cron underscore bandit 22. So I see reboot. This is a reboot job performed by Bandit 22. It runs this shell and captures all. This is a catch basket for like errors and things like that. And here's the actual command. So star, 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 star. And as we just noted, this means it runs every day, every minute, all the time, into infinity. So I want to know exactly what it's doing. We know it's running, but now we need to know why it's doing it. But we need to take a look at the script itself. So let's hit cat slash user slash bin slash run job 22.sh So here's the file. It says it changes when it runs. It changes the permissions of a temporary folder, and then it creates. Here's that insertion. This means it's going to create this file inside this temp folder. And 644 is read permissions. So we need to look into this file. So let's do that. Cat. Nope. There's no way I'm writing this out. I have to be able to copy this. No way I'm typing it out. Is that it? Did we do it? I think we did it. I think that's it. That's the password. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I'm actually really getting the hang of this crap now. You know what I always wonder? At what point do we get to put this stuff on our resume to say we actually know it? I've been playing this game for, what, 21 levels. I had very little background in Linux initially, but feeling fairly comfortable in it now. Granted, I haven't done anything admin-like with it just yet. So what I try to do is that whatever I do on my Windows servers, I try to replicate in the Linux environment. So checking out processes, checking out log files, making sure that there aren't any rogue services running in the background, things like that. So everything that I do on my Windows servers, I do on Linux. I check. So like I said, I'm always curious to when, I guess when you feel like you can defend your position, I guess that's when you put it on, but I don't know. Anyway, this was fun. This was great. I hope you stick around. And until next time, peace.